Hi everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. In today's video, I am going to show how to customize your WooCommerce shop page using the WoodMart theme and Elementor or WP Bakery. If you want your store to stand out and convert more visitors, this video is for you. So first go to layouts and click on the add new button. Here you can select the layout type product archive. If you select all product archive, then the layout is applied on both shop and categories pages. So if you choose only shop page, then the layout will apply only on shop page. Here you can select the layout name. I have selected the only shop page. Here are some predefined layouts from the WoodMart theme. You can choose the design or make it custom. I want to choose this design and click on the create layout. Here you can see the layout is ready. Inside the Elementor, drag and drop the widgets in the layout. For example, like products grid, shop filters, categories boxes, and some sorting widgets. This is my actual shop page, and this is my layout. Here you can see this is the layout I have applied. You can select custom content in the layout to set anything. You can add custom widgets like text, custom heading, and you can also select product in the archive pages. Here you can see these are the widgets. These are the theme related widgets. You can add filters, custom filters in the layout. Here I want to set some product categories in the layout. Add the product categories widgets in the top of the shop page. Some people face the issue between products categories and products in the shop display in the WooCommerce settings. But you can use custom layout to create the products and categories separately. Here you can use the product categories widgets and choose the layout and customize it in the page builder to make it awesome. Here you can select some custom sizes and make the layout in the page builder as per your requirements. These are some custom designs. Here publish the layout, then refresh the page. Here you can see the product categories is showing fine above the product grid in shop page. Here you can see the layout. Also you can add promo banners and more widgets to make the layout, but if you are using custom layout of the theme, then the WoodMart theme setting will not work. You can use the responsive mode in Elementor to adjust padding, margin and layout for tablet and mobiles. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to pkmentor for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.